Look, there he is. Yo. What's up, son? You're a little bit late. 5 minutes late, boy. 5 minutes late. The sun's coming up, bro. We could have done caught 30 fish if he would have been here. No, I called her like 2 minutes ago. She said she was leaving at 4:40. I said it's 4:50. It's all right. She said she's leaving right now. No big deal.
You video?
No, I'm just holding this camera around. Bright and early this morning. Me and him are gonna go fish a pond real quick. If that doesn't work, we're gonna go to a golf course pond. We're gonna go catch some fish though. Straight up, we're not gonna catch any big fish.
Straight up, we're not gonna catch any big fish.
Hold on, I got a duffel bag full of cash, and now I'm planning to spend it. I seen this music game was a known. Had to put my hand up in
That's
it.
the bottom line.
We'll catch 30 of them.
We'll catch 30, 50 fish and they ain't gonna be big. But no, first YouTube video today. So, get used to it. We gotta start off the video right with some good music, so.
Yeah, I'm clutching the Beyblade, the way I let my rip. I was just on pissy mattress practicing a front flip. Now I pull my stick up out this pouch, I call it fun.
I about just grabbed all the treble hooks in your water bottle.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5. No, this not a challenger.
Well, there's not a fish under that dock apparently. I thought that was gonna be one for sure. That makes a lot more sense now. Let me try to get. Ooh. You see that? That was wild.
I'll catch it.
Yeah, right. I don't know. 9 times out of 10, if one jumps like that and you drop a whack rig on them, they're gonna eat. I don't know how big it was. I'm sure it wasn't very big, but. Does it work?
Nah, for real.
Water on me like the sun.
I told you to cast right there, Caitlin. Oh, freak, I'm gonna lose him. We're not skunk. Let me make him look big. That's like a, yeah, 6.5. He ate it good though. Dylan, did you see the hole I ripped in that guy's face? Ain't no way.
Completely down the back.
Why is there a stop sign in here, y'all? Look at that going on in there.
That's a felony. Tell you what else get better.
Huh. I heard that.
Which I'm not doing.
I heard that. I have them. You know where they are? Probably 15 or 20 foot off of that island, is my guess.
Look at that beaver, oh my god. Let me go to freaking Monkey Island.
I swear there's a monkey on there. I kid you not, Dylan, I've seen him one day. No, that tree out there is a banana tree. I'm being serious.
Which one, man?
Hey, beavers are just grown up squirrels. Think about it.
And I love squirrels more than beavers.
Well, he's just swimming in circles. He's threatening us. God, man, I keep having them bites. Skunk at Caitlin's. Let me see that wacky rig real quick. No, I just saw, I got bit right there. So you gotta put some line on this thing, brother. There's not any on it, hardly.
There's no way.
That's why he didn't get that swim jig. How big we thinking?
Not as big as my bait.
Look at that huge mouth. I bet the worm's longer than him.
Probably. I think the bucket mouth.
With the circle, we gon' put your partner on the shirt. Feeling kinda evil, I should probably go and pray today. Feeling kinda trappish, I might go and catch a play today.
With the scammers, I ran and caught another plate. Told my brother take his time and give.
For here, that's good. Want to take a picture of him for me? Somebody? Caitlin? Oh, freak. Y'all, here's the deal. You probably saw, I think, 2 fish on camera because I didn't know how to use the battery pack for my GoPro and it died 2 times and it overheated once and then it died a 3rd time and so it just didn't work. We're gonna go to some new ponds, then we're gonna go get something to eat and then we're gonna go
To a golf course.
to a golf course. That,
Better not disappoint.
yeah. We'll probably get kicked out. I don't know what's gonna go down, but it should be a good time.
He's a runner.
Ow. That's the only thing we're catching here at this golf course today.
Stop.
Tickle him. I'll let him go. And he's got really long nails. Onward. Basically, you see all these lily pads? We're screwed. And we can't get below the lily pads, so golf course pond is a bust. What time even is it, dude? 12:04. We went Fourth Lake. We just went to 2 different ponds. Y'all saw one clip at the golf course, but then we went to a different one and it sucked. We're gonna go back out here, another spot we got. But we're gonna try to catch a few here. I'm gonna throw some top water, swim jig maybe, something like that. But maybe this spot will work out and we'll see how it goes. Little buzz bait action. If I don't burn this on the first cast, I'll be pleased. Cause this thing's huge.
Yeah, if I hope, don't you? What's up? Right here is.
Yeah, when you're really into cast, the other one's one hit it.
Now I know too much. Ignorance is bliss, and innocence is just ignorance before it's introduced to currency and clips of bad licks that haven't serving 3 to 6.
Oh God. That had to have been a big one. And I'm so surprised we haven't caught one in this corner. Yeah,
They're so fat in here.
his build is a lot wider.
They're just not long. They're just fat.
Just because how wide he is. Sweet.
24-hour fishing challenge.
We've done it, dude. We've done it. Oh, I see another bass right here. Where'd he go? Here he comes.
Lord, please guide us.
You act like you did. You did? It's kind of big.
That's the biggest fish we caught today. On picture mode?
Yeah.
First cast. Here he comes. That looks really good.
Built from the hands of a god, I am a monolith. Born in the heart of the fire that rose out of it. Walk through the valley of giants with no fear. Try to throw rocks at the sun, I'm still here, yeah. Diamonds under the pressure, I'm still shining, huh? Storming in by force, I want violence, yeah. Please give me a challenge, I can't find it. I'm unstoppable, I'm a legend, I'm iconic, yeah. It's ironic, you wanted it, now you got it. I paid dues, and now they just pay homage.
There's gotta be one right here.
You can't hold me down.
Big one, dude.
Let's get it started right now. You can't hold me. Someone to know. You can't hold me.
Dude, that's a 10.
I'll do it.
Yeah,
Look at that fish. Dude.
right now. Let the horn sound. Take a look around. You can't hold me down.
I gotta set him down, he's too heavy. Look at that fish, Dylan.
You can't hold me down. You can't